Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Pre-workout is a concentrated supplement powder or capsule designed to boost energy, focus, and blood flow before exercise. Common doses are 150-300 mg caffeine, 6-8g citrulline for nitric oxide support, and 3-5g creatine to aid short-term power. Beta-alanine appears at 2-3g to buffer fatigue, and electrolytes replace sweat losses. Use 1 serving mixed with 200-300 ml water. For sensitive users, begin with half a serving, wait 20-30 minutes, then evaluate jitters, heart rate, and focus. Take pre-workout 20-30 minutes before your training session to coincide with peak caffeine and nitric oxide effects, ensuring better focus and pump. Track total daily caffeine and do not exceed 400 mg from all sources. Remember that a single serving can contain 150-300 mg. If you take other stimulants, reduce dose accordingly. Begin with half a serving if you are stimulant sensitive or under 18, and avoid additional caffeine for at least 4 to 6 hours after a stimulant-containing pre-workout. Choose a pre-workout by reading labels for exact ingredient dosages. Good starting targets are 6-8g citrulline, 3-5g creatine, and 150-300 mg caffeine per serving. Avoid proprietary blends that hide amounts. Cycle use to limit tolerance. Use for 8 weeks, then take 2 weeks off, or alternate stimulant and stimulant-free products. Prioritize hydration by drinking at least 500 ml water when dosing and more during exercise. And consult a clinician if you have heart conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.